Welcome back, everybody. In today's episode, we are going to be going through an interior detail on a Subaru STI, getting it prepped and ready for the shows. I did this detail last summer, so it was right before showtime. We did a full interior detail, we conditioned the seats, and then we also did an exterior paint correction and ceramic coating engine detail. That will be in the next video. So like, subscribe, hit that bell, and stay tuned for the next episode to come out. But like I said, today we will be doing the interior detail, getting this thing spruced up, freshened up, ready to go and look good for the shows. All right, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. guys enjoyed that little video. I'm also going to put out another one with me explaining everything that I'm doing. This one's just kind of more of a sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and watch it. Big thanks to the guys with MYSM. They got awesome music. I use it in almost every one of my videos nowadays. Greatly appreciate you guys, and I appreciate everybody who watched this video. Let me know what you want to see next. Do you guys like watching these chill videos with interior details? Do you guys like the full exterior, interior? Do you guys like watching paint correction? Let me know down in the comments. And please do not forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell. It helps me grow my little channel. It helps get these videos out to more people, the more likes you get. So I greatly appreciate everybody who has liked my past videos and have subscribed to my channel. Greatly appreciate it. Thanks guys. New video coming out in the next couple of days on the exterior with the paint correction and engine detail with ceramic coating. So stay tuned. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Peace out.